to my little green Bissell as we switch over here. So I was sharing this a little bit earlier this week, and so I finally got this video done and down. So I don't know if you can see it here in the corner. I guess let's actually go like this. I'm gonna move this video to the other side. Everybody's gonna miss out on a little bit of Bill until I transition this back, but I do have it sitting down here. So this is the Bissell. It's their little green cleaning machine. However, I love like a good rhyme here. I love it because it is almost kind of like a purse almost. It's like much more of like almost like that doctor bag sizing, and it weighs just about 10 pounds or so, so it's very lightweight and it makes it very, very portable. So I'm going to kind of pick it up over here. I'll let that video just kind of keep playing so you can see you know, kind of how it works in action as I kind of demo it here, so you can see it kind of folds all in and on itself. And again, very lightweight for kind of a vacuum that does have these water tanks. So these are 48-ounce water tanks on either side. On this one in particular, I do have it full, so I'm gonna set this down and pull it out really quickly. You're just kind of filling it up from the bottom. Set that down. These are your tanks. There's plenty of different options for whatever kind of formula that you might want with it. Personally, for me, I use like a pet formula, but this is kind of your line. You'd fill the very bottom here with your preferred formula, and then you're just filling it up to these water lines. Hey Octavia, thank you so much for the follow. And then from there, it's just going to go straight into your cleaning machine, and then completely fills it up that way. So super, super easy to fill. You can put this right in your sink, so it's not difficult to do that whatsoever. And then on the other side, you have the dirty tank. Not going to show it to you because it is kind of gross. And then you do have your cleaning hose here. So kind of trying to take it apart in real time here with you, but the hose does wrap all the way around, so it kind of is self-containing here. And then when you flip it around, the hose does connect into the back. So there's this little arm right here that does keep the tool all connected. So when you are ready to use it, you can just flip it up, and then the cord just really easily kind of wraps around on the back. So this is a really long cord, which I do like, so you can kind of leave it wherever if you're cleaning a larger area, or most specifically if you were cleaning a car, or just somewhere where you needed to get the tool in and you didn't want to bring this whole cleaning contraption alongside with you. So when I pull this off, like I said, just slips off. I'm going to set this down so I can kind of show the hose here as well. So you're going to see it a little bit better, obviously, in the video, but this is your brush tool. So this is where kind of your water is going to get sucked back up. And then this brush, of course, helps kind of break up any stains, kind of scrubbing in, like, for example, through the carpet. This little, what do you want to call it, trigger, maybe, a little button, however you want to refer to it, does then allow you to spray from the nozzle, just like you can see there in the video, spraying over that stain. I usually let it sit for just a little bit and then kind of go back through. But it is the most satisfying when you can see kind of all of that dirt kind of come up through the top and then go into your tank. So this is also a very large tank as well, so you can kind of go longer in between cleanings that way also. So really great little cleaning machine, and then of course on deal. If you haven't used anything from Bissell, One thing I do like, and I like to highlight companies, of course, that do kind of give back. So Bissell always does give a percentage of their sales to their pet foundation, and it helps save homeless pets, which I think is a really great cause, of course, but I do love a company that does give back as well.